Chris Aquino, ibinahagi sa kanyang mga minamahal na mga fans ang kasalukuyang kalagayan sa kanyang gamutan. Mula sa kanyang Instagram post, ibinahagi nga ni Chris Aquino ang kasalukuyang kalagayan niya at kung ano na nga ba ang dapat gawin para madugtungan ang kanyang buhay. Ito'y ayon na rin sa kanyang naging post at kwento sa kanyang Instagram. Simula nga nang magkasakit si Chris Aquino at ilang taon na nga ang pakikipaglaban niya sa kanyang sakit na ito, ay hindi nga sumusuko at patuloy na lumalaban ang actor's host. At ayon nga kay Chris, kung hindi lamang sa kanyang mga anak, matagal na raw siguro siyang wala dito sa mundo. Pero kanyang nilalabanan ang lahat ng ito, alang-alang kay Josh at kay Bimbi. Patuloy naman din ang panalangin at pag-asa nila Bimbi na ang kanilang ina ay makakasama pa nila ng mahabang buhay. Narito at ibinahagi nga ni Chris Aquino ang kasalukuyang treatment na kanyang tinanggap at ang operasyon nito. Aniya, this was ready to be posted yesterday but while writing my caption, I kept falling asleep. I asked my team of doctors to please get my surgical procedures done before August 21. We started on August 20, 8:15 p.m. That was the time check I heard before Daddy Doc, my anesthesiologist, and my cousin-in-law, Dr. Nick, he's an interventional cardiologist, started their work. I remember being transferred to another cardiac OR for my port a cut and I was back in my room before 12 midnight. Sorry, Cinderella. While writing these, happy tears are flowing because I'm remembering how much our mom endured for us. She also had a port a cut surgically implanted, yet we never heard her complain, and she didn't have a pain management doctor. I have an entire team of doctors, and my vascular surgeon, Dr. Lukban, did a great job, and Dr. Kash, his senior resident fellow. While waking up from my anesthesia, I said, "Where's the cutie pie doctor and can I now please have my dime or DIM coincidental?" My brother Noy and I had the same favorite chocolate. You save a lot of pics of Kuya Josh and Bim. He's the last pic wearing the protective outfit for people to get into the post-op recovery area. My sons are the reason I continue to endure. If I wasn't their mama, matagal na po akong sumuko. It's very difficult to be as brave as my dad and my mom because I know this is just the beginning of more aggressive treatment to keep me alive and get me to a point of remission. My doctors have the next 6 months while I'm in isolation to figure out the best treatment plan for someone with as many allergies to medicine, food, and the environment. For me, it's rehabilitation physical therapy, resuming my love for cooking. I'm not allowed to be near the flame for more than a few minutes because it triggers my lupus, polymyositis, rheumatoid arthritis, and progressive systemic sclerosis flares, with an assistant and another tutorial-based activity because one is never too old to continue stimulating the brain. I have a new hashtag to remind myself how much I owe all of you who continue praying for me. Thank you for your patience, support, and much appreciated love. Hashtag Laban Chris. Ipinakita rin ni Chris Aquino ang nasabi nga pong nakalagay sa bandang leeg niya at dibdib at kung ano nga bang ibig sabihin nito. Narito po ang kanyang naging post. Aniya, a port a cut, also called an implantable port or port, is a medical device implanted under the skin, providing long-term access to a vein for administering medication, fluids, or drawing blood. It's a small self-reservoir connected to a catheter that's placed in a large vein, typically in the chest or arms. This allows for repeated access to the bloodstream without needing new needle insertion each time. At dahil tila nabubugbog na nga kakatusok ng karayom, ang katawan ni Chris Aquino na ibinahagi niya at dito ay meron na mga itong pasa at mark Ginawa na nga ang nasabing port occult na ito para nga maiwasan na ang tusok or turok ng turok sa katawan ni Chris or sa balat nito upang maiwasan na din ang pagkakaroon nito ng. Nagbahagi naman si Carmina at Pokwang ng nakakatouch na mensahe mula kay Pokwang. Sinabi niyang, "See you soon, basta dito lang kami patuloy na nagdarasal para sa kalusugan mo," at Chris Aquino, #Laban Chris. Mula naman kay Carmina Villaruel, laban lang Ninang at Chris Aquino. "We love you, praying for you always." Images are all credit to the rightful owners, Miss Chris Aquino Instagram. Thank you for watching.